Understanding Young Oak Sapling, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, young oak sapling. This phrase not only offers a glimpse into English vocabulary but also reflects a bit about nature and growth. So, let's dive in and understand what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Young oak sapling is a phrase composed of 3 words, each carrying its own meaning. Let's break it down. Young. This word describes something that is in the early stages of life, not old, and often implies growth and development. Oak. An oak is a type of large tree known for its strength and longevity, commonly found in the northern hemisphere. Sapling. A sapling refers to a young tree, especially one that's small and just starting to grow. When combined, these words describe a small, young tree of the oak variety that is in the early stages of its growth. The phrase, young oak sapling, is not just about a tree, it's often used symbolically. Here are some ways it can be interpreted. Growth and potential. Just like a young tree that grows into a strong oak, this phrase can symbolize someone or something with great potential. New beginnings. It can also represent new beginnings or the start of something that will become significant over time. In conversation or writing, you might use this phrase to describe a person who is young but shows great promise, or a new project that has the potential to grow into something big. To help you understand better, here are some example sentences. 1. The new intern is like a young oak sapling, full of potential. 2. Our small business started as a young oak sapling, but it's growing steadily. These examples show how the phrase can be used metaphorically in various contexts. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, young oak sapling, and its rich symbolism in the English language. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and images they evoke. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that English has many such beautiful phrases to offer. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.